I thought dropshipping was dead.
Dropshipping is dead.
This doesn't work anymore, it's dead.
But now TikTok has completely revived dropshipping and people are doing crazy numbers, huge amounts of sales faster than ever before thanks to TikTok. In this video, I'm going to be reacting to a video by Dylan Rudzinski showing how he made $570,000 in just 5 days dropshipping using TikTok ads. When I see other people getting crazy results like this, absolutely astronomical results, I'm going to be the first person to share these videos with you. Smash the like button and let's get into it.
In this video, I'll be breaking down the product selection process, the ads, the store building, and much more of a store that did $570,000 in sales in just 5 days with TikTok ads only. We didn't even do any retargeting at all. This was literally just all TikTok ads. First and most importantly, I'll be talking about product selection. This was not a black hat, scammy subscription offer type product. This was a real product that we're actually sending to customers. The product in this case study was attached to a very short-lived but really large trend on TikTok. The audience for the product was a very passionate audience, and we saw this in our AOV when customers were buying all sorts of other products related to the main product, which really helped our margin a lot. And when we found the product, there were really no competitors at all. In terms of how we found the product, we actually found this on Amazon's Movers and Shakers. And this is the Movers and Shakers page. Pretty much
This is a great place to find winning products. I know Jordan Welch actually found his winning product on the Movers and Shakers. I've actually went on the Movers and Shakers and found a couple of winning products recently, products that look really good, potential winners. Definitely the Movers and Shakers is a great place to find products.
Pretty much it's the biggest gainers in sales rank over the past 24 hours. So this is definitely a great way to keep an eye out on like really hot trending products. And then once we found the product, we checked on competitors. As I said earlier, there was literally no competition at all. We checked on all of the ad spies. There was only one store running ads to this product and they were using stolen creatives. We then ordered the product on Amazon and tested it literally next day. Next, I'll be talking about store setup. We used Debut Theme and this was a very simple branded store. Let me show you guys a few examples of what I mean. MagFlare is a great example. Our page was very similar to theirs. Very short description, Luke's reviews, of course, and just make sure you're not interrupting the customer's journey to actually buying the product. We kept the offer very simple. It was just a 50 or 60% off sale on all products on the site, and that worked extremely well. Once we knew the product was a winner, we started testing cross-sells of products that were very similar to the original one. Another offer you can add is if your product is something that's oftentimes purchased more than once, doing a buy one, get one X% off works extremely well. We also did that.
That's true that one of the best offers is buy one, get one free. Once every 2 weeks, I send an email broadcast on my store allowing people to buy one, get one free on the entire site for 1 day only. And that email brings us the most sales out of any email promotion we've ever done.
And lastly, our abandoned cart flows. So our abandoned cart flows were extremely FOMO based because this was kind of a short-term store, and that really helped us recover a lot of lost revenue. As far as the testing phase goes, we used custom content to test the product. And if you guys aren't doing that with TikTok ads right now, you're missing out on a lot of winning products. With the current state of the e-commerce industry and TikTok ads, I don't think stealing creatives is an actual sustainable strategy to finding winning products.
Everyone who does dropshipping is lazy and doesn't want to make their own videos, but making your own videos is the best thing, in my opinion, that you could possibly do for your store. And now it's so easy to make your own videos for the product. With TikTok, literally all you do is download the app on your phone and press record, and you can record the most simplest videos showing your product and a couple of benefits, and that's all you need to go viral. You can post these videos on TikTok Organic, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So one video can literally go on 3 different platforms, and you can also use that video for ads.
Now what's great is we were actually able to make creatives ourselves with this product. We actually scaled with creatives made ourselves. So that's an extremely affordable and efficient way to get a product test up. As far as the testing campaign structure goes, when it comes to a product that's this big of a winner, you could literally throw up anything and you'll know it's a winning product. Now, my usual go-to testing strategy is going to be a $100 CBO with 5 ad groups, 5 creatives using ACO with 3 sets of ad copy. Now, you could do 3 ad groups, 4 ad groups, whatever works the best for you. It really doesn't matter at the end of the day. If a product's a winner, it's going to get sales. So here's day 1 of running ads. As you can see, we really didn't start getting a lot of sales until later in the day. And the reason why I wanted to mention that is you guys should always let your initial testing campaign run for at least one day, just to really let the campaign optimize and figure out who is actually buying this product and who's interested. On the first day, we spent $182 in ads, and going into this product, we knew it was going to be a short-term kind of pump and dump style product. So right when I saw these results, I scheduled tons of ads for the next day, and you're going to see in the analytics how fast we really scaled up. So we were able to scale past $100,000 per day in just 4 days of running the product.
Wow, that's crazy. That's absolutely crazy that this guy literally started from zero, and in 1 week he had $670,000 in sales. Now it's not profit, so we do need to wait and see what the profit is, because he might not have made any profit. We're going to see at the end if he made any profit. But just the fact that you can take a store from zero to $600,000 in 1 week is crazy. The opportunity right now for dropshipping is huge. Dropshipping is definitely not dead, and if you haven't started a dropshipping store in 2022 or 2023, then you're definitely missing out.
1,500 to 17,000 to 34,000, 90K, and then 130K. By the way, 130K falls just short of the best day we've ever done, which I think was 137,000. I posted a case study on that day from last Black Friday, so you guys should check that out. Now, what's important to understand about how fast we scaled is scaling this aggressively isn't possible unless your ROAS is insane at low spend. So if we test the product and the ROAS was maybe 2.5 on a couple $100 of spend, we wouldn't just scale to 130,000 in like 3 days. There's levels to how good a winning product is. We only used one ad account to scale this product, and it was not an agency account. So one scaling strategy that was working extremely well for us was just mass duplicating manual bids. So this is with broad and automatic targeting, and this is about 5 to 7 creatives per ad group. And what you want to do is just test a ton of bids within the range of your desired CPA. And then once you find a bid that's working, just go up and down by 1 cent and just spam duplicate ad groups. From my experience, a $200 budget works best. You might be wondering how we were actually able to sustain this level of scale cash flow wise. And our ad account actually had a line of credit. And we have an Amex card that has hundreds of thousands of dollars of spend limit. So we had 2 lines of credit, and we had a ton of cash. So cash flow was not an issue at all when scaling this product. Now, when you do scale this aggressively, you will inevitably run into ad account and payment processing issues, and we actually did. About a week into scaling the product, as you can see, it was a Monday where our ad account got suspended. This is obviously easier said than done. I think if the ad account didn't initially get suspended that Monday, we could have easily gotten to $1 million in sales within the next 2 days. And this would have been a $0 to $1 million in sales in 1 week. And every time we tried to run the ads or the product on another ad account, it just instantly got flagged and banned. So that's why we had this really big period where we were not getting sales, because we had to wait until that original suspension got lifted. And once it got lifted, we were able to run the product again for maybe 5-10 days, doing around 20K a day. And then we eventually got suspended again. At that point, TikTok was literally not letting us run this product or the ads. These estimates are very rough, but they are very close to what the net profit was at the end of the day. So this product did just over $800,000 in revenue, and I showed you guys in the dashboard earlier. We sourced this product at $8.80 per unit. When we tested it, it was $10. This is extremely important. When you guys are scaling a product, make sure to pin your supplier against other suppliers to get that price down as low as possible. So as you can see here, we sold just over 29,000 of the main product. This product that we sold 3,400 of was actually only 20 cents to add to the order. This was one of our post-purchase cross-sells. And then these other 3 products that did a few hundred were actually sourced at the same price as that main product. They were just different styles of that main product that customers could buy. So 31,163 units times $880, which was our sourcing cost, we get a COGS of $274,234. And I added the 1,200 for that one product that did 3,400 units. That was only 20-30 cents to add to the order. It was a very cheap product. So the ad spend was $227,000, and I had to update that. I was actually wrong with the number previously. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the proof of this in the ad account. So right here is the spend for the lifetime of the ad account. So this is a completely rough profit estimate. This could be plus or minus probably 10 to 20 grand, but we get $306,000 in profit, and 50% of this was split with my partner Ben.
That's crazy. I'll put the link to Dylan's channel in the description. Make sure to check him out. If you want to start a successful dropshipping store, then you should model what other successful people have done. I made a free course showing you exactly how I went from 0 to $2 million in sales. The entire strategy is laid out in this video right here. Go and watch it.